Hello friends, today I am planning to make Urad Vada, Medu Vada. For that I am taking Urad Dal 1 cup. This is the broken Urad with the skin. I would like to try with this. This is the first time I am trying with the skin. This is nutritious. It's a good source of protein. Good for young girls and women. So usually we do without the skin. So this is the first time I am trying this. So let's see how it comes. Maybe the color may be a dark color. So after soaking for 4 hours, washing it, then I'll try to remove the skin as much as possible. So let's see how it goes. Here I have washed that dal and now I'll soak it with water for 4 hours. This is the urad dal we have soaked for 4 hours. You can see all the skin has come separately. So I'll be removing the skins as much as possible. So even if you make with the skin, it's okay, but only the color will be black. So if you want to avoid that, you can remove the skin. So I'll remove this 2-3 times. I'll wash it and remove. Whatever maximum I can do, I'll try to do it. Here you can see I have removed most of the skin. So there is little left, that is okay. It won't give a difference in the color. So I'm just keeping it like that. Anyway, making the vada with the skin is more nutritious. If you can go with it, please do it. So now I have removed the skin, so I'll be grinding it. Here I am grinding the urad dal in a grinder. Now you can see the batter is ready. We can just start beating it with hand, mixing it so that air bubbles are included in that. So we'll do it for about 5 minutes and then we'll see. You can feel it in your hands. The dough is becoming softer and softer. Initially it was very hard. So now it has become soft. So here I have some chopped onion, green chilies, ginger and some curry leaves. So I'm adding all of this to my batter. I'm also adding some salt as required. And I have some crushed pepper, very lightly crushed. Don't crush it too much, it has to be whole. My mom used to do it like that. So I'm doing it. Again, mix it well. I have heated some oil. You can wet your hands. I'm using little oil, that's why I'm making small vadas than the usual size. You can make it of any size you like. Initially, don't disturb the vadas. It will automatically come up once it is cooked. Then you can reverse the sides. Urad dal is very proteinaceous. It's got high value, protein value. Good for girls, women and everyone. It's a very healthy lentil. When it is done, put off the stove. You can see my Udad Vada with sambar, and we are going to enjoy it. It is really crispy outside and soft inside, very soft. You can hear the sound. So we are going to enjoy. Thank you.